I found a way that can help you go from 100 followers to 10,000 followers in a week. All you have to do is stick with me till the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tips and tricks. So before we continue, there's a link in the description that's going to give you a huge bonus when you sign up with it like I did. So the link is going to bring you to Narrow Workers where we will get lots of followers. Just click on the right hand corner at Post Job to get started. Then you will need to select a category. Let's choose follow cause we need followers. It's time to choose the summary like how many followers you want and how much they will earn when they follow your Instagram account. Yes, with as little as this amount you can get thousands of followers. Click on Calculate Total Job Cost to know that total amount you need for this job. Here's the total amount needed. This is how much we have in our account. Now, click on Accept to move to the next step. You need to give your job a name, like Instagram followers. The next section is where you tell them what to do and also put in your Instagram page link. If you want a screenshot from the people following you, you can decide to turn this on or off. Plus, you need to be paying them 20 Naira per task, but we are not doing that. Then click Post Job and boom, we are all done. So that's it guys, and please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Plus our next video is how to make 300 from just translating.